Regular maintenance and care of your vehicle ensures optimal performance, reliability, and longevity. Maintaining your car is essential for several reasons. It helps prevent mechanical failures and breakdowns by addressing potential issues before they escalate. Proper maintenance ensures safety on the road by keeping vital systems such as brakes, tires, and lights in good working condition. Additionally, regular maintenance can improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and preserve the value of your vehicle over time. Overall, investing time and effort into your car's maintenance not only enhances your driving experience but also contributes to the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. In this video, we go through in details the top 5 car maintenance tips for beginners. Maintenance tip number 1. Check your oil regularly. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts of your engine, reducing friction and preventing premature wear and damage. Checking your oil level ensures that your engine has enough oil to function properly. Running your engine with low or dirty oil can lead to increased friction and heat, potentially causing engine damage or even complete failure. Lack of proper lubrication can result in expensive repairs or the need for a new engine. Maintenance tip number 2. Monitor tire pressure. Proper tire pressure ensures optimal handling, braking, and fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can cause increased rolling resistance and tire wear, while overinflated tires can lead to reduced traction and a harsher ride. Driving with improperly inflated tires can decrease fuel efficiency, shorten tire lifespan, and compromise safety by increasing the risk of blowouts or loss of control, especially in emergency situations. Maintenance tip number 3. Inspect and replace wiper blades. Wiper blades are essential for maintaining visibility in rainy or snowy conditions. Worn out or damaged wiper blades can streak, smear, or skip, impairing your ability to see the road clearly. Poorly functioning wiper blades can severely hinder visibility during inclement weather, increasing the risk of accidents. In extreme cases, compromised visibility could lead to collisions or other dangerous situations on the road. Maintenance tip number 4. Keep an eye on fluid levels. Various fluids, such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid, are critical for the proper operation of different vehicle systems. Monitoring fluid levels ensures these systems function correctly and prevents potential damage. Running low on essential fluids can lead to system malfunctions or failures. For example, low coolant levels can cause engine overheating, while low brake fluid can compromise braking performance, leading to dangerous situations on the road. Maintenance tip number 5. Replace air filters. The engine air filter prevents dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine, ensuring clean airflow for proper combustion. A clean air filter promotes better engine performance, fuel efficiency, and longevity, while a clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, reducing fuel efficiency and engine power. Over time, this can lead to increased fuel consumption, decreased performance, and potential damage to engine components. We hope you found our car maintenance tips informative and valuable for taking better care of your vehicle. Implementing these practices can enhance the performance and longevity of your car to ensure your safety on the road. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about car maintenance, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos covering a wide range of automotive topics. Stay tuned for more helpful tips, tutorials, and exciting videos to help you become a more knowledgeable and confident car owner.